Hello and welcome to Mommy Ramblings YouTube channel. We're going to look at the Oral-B Genius 8000 by Braun. Now this toothbrush makes a perfect Father's Day gift. In fact, there's going to be a little incentive. So if you go to the blog post for this, which will be linked in the video description, you're probably going to be able to pick up a little coupon code or find out how you can save on this. So anyway, the folks that represent this toothbrush, the PR agency, contacted Mommy Ramblings and asked us to take a look at this. And we were thrilled because we love the Oral-B products, and we, have Oral-B toothbrushes, not this one, but similar ones. But this has the Bluetooth that makes it so great and so different from the ones that we have. What's nice about it is because of the different brush heads, and you can purchase more very easily. A whole family can use just the one head. Everybody would have a different brush head. It comes with a nice case to hold your brush heads, and right in here is where your charger can sit. I'm going to put this over. I believe it's, oh no, this goes in the back. I should have done that. Okay, so the cord has a little spot for the cord, and then snaps on like that. So like I said, husband, wife, kids can use it, or one person, and just have, because there's different types of brush heads that Oral-B makes. They have an Oral-B cross action brush head, they have an Oral-B floss action brush head, and they have an Oral-B 3D white brush head, and they have an Oral-B sensitive brush head. And they sent us 3 with this, and you'll see they also have colored bands, and that's how you can differentiate on each other's brush heads, a husband and wife, like I said, or kids. 3 brush heads are included in this package. You get the cross action, the sensitive, and the flossing brush head. Now let me just show you a little bit about this, because this is pretty neat. You see how I can't even move this, right? I can't even move it. You can put it up on the wall or whatever. That's going to hold your phone, and it's like a phone holder. So you have these things that move out. So this is an iPhone X, and it fits my phone. Husband was here, I'd show you how it fits his Note 8. I want to release it. I pop up on that, and it releases. You see it has a really nice suction cup on the bottom. And watch. Let me take my phone out so you can see a little better. See it already attached. Okay. And I didn't even put the lid down. So it has a little tab that'll help you pull the suction up. But you put it down. It's already a good suction. And then you pop that down. And this will swivel. And that is on there good. So that's for your phone, and you can put it on the wall or wherever so you can see, because there's an app with this help you see how you're brushing. It even locate where you're brushing. And this is a case. You can use it as a travel case. Your brush heads, you got 2 brush heads and your phone in there. So on the go, you don't need to carry that other thing. You have a space for 2 brush heads and the wand. So the wand comes off the base like that. You saw when it was charging. I don't know if you saw these blue lights. Hopefully you're seeing this. Okay. And then when you're traveling with it, it fits right on this base in the box. And this is a travel charger. Okay. So now that I have it plugged in here, you see it charging, and then it just went through all the things. So we want to pair, we have Bluetooth on the phone. So you're going to see the Oral-B app. I have an Apple X, I told you. You can find this in Google Play or in the App Store. I'm just going to click Get. It's free. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my Oral-B. It says hello. Okay, there's my app. Do you have an Oral-B toothbrush with blue? Yes, I do. So we have to follow the directions on the app. Okay, so I just want you to see a little bit. Okay, so I'm searching for my toothbrush. Now I'm going to turn it on. Okay, and I saw that little blink on the top, which I hadn't. So that's it. we're synced. Now, choose a color for your smart ring. Well, I'm going to choose, I like the purple, but I'm going to take pink. Wow, look at that. Isn't that cool, guys? Look at that. Are you looking at that smart ring? It can turn any one of those colors. Got that. Now, continue on your app tour. Oral-B toothbrushes and the Oral-B app will revolutionize your brushing experience. Okay. And then continue to timer. So try position detection. Set up your camera on the mirror to begin. Okay, so I'm not going to do this on a video because I need to be paying attention, but you'll see it, position detection, there's a fun zone, activity achievements, Oral-B products, sign up for Oral-B Me, and your app is going to help you do all that. I just want to see if I can show you. Let's just show you the time. If I wanted the 2-minute timer. Okay, count up, count down. Teeth, braces, 4 sections, 6 sections. Display manual, so you can toothbrush share sound recognition. So you can count it up, you can count it down. You can add time, you can take away time. And it's just pretty neat, right? So go on my blog because there's going to be a special savings if you want to get this for somebody for Father's Day or their birthday. Hey, my birthday's Monday. Anyway, you've got this little color ring that snaps on, like I said. So that's, like, oh, that's mine. And if my husband was using one, he could put the green, whatever. But you also have the color ring, so that's pretty neat. And it just goes right on there. And then when you turn it on, you'll see how it spins. Okay. And you brush your teeth. And I'm going to do that right now, but I'm not going to do that on camera because I don't think that's too attractive for anybody, but I am going to love this because I already have one without the Bluetooth, and this Bluetooth just makes it all the better. And it's the Genius 8000 by Braun. Hey guys, I just took that for a test spin and it is fabulous. No joke, my teeth feel like I came out of the dentist chair. It is above and beyond what I have, and it is just, it's fabulous. It really is. And the app is so much fun. I can't wait to discover more about it. And like I said, I will tell you guys more about it. I'm going to learn a little bit. I got to charge my phone up because it's going to die. But, oh, my teeth feel great. They feel really, really great. And to clean it off, when you're done, you're going to rinse it while it's spinning under the water. You're going to take it off, take the brush head off, dry with a soft cloth, and then you can put it back on, or you can put the head back in the case. You just clean it with a damp cloth, clean the wand with a damp cloth, and you rinse these and then just wipe them down. That's it, guys. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward, but a great clean. I love this new toothbrush. I can't wait to see what my husband's going to think. And we're going to show you some kids' products from them that'll be arriving here shortly. So we'll have some more good stuff for you. Okay? If you have one of these, let me know what you think about it. And if there's any questions that you have about it, you can go to the blog and leave a question in the comments, or you can ask me right on the comments of this video, and I'd be happy to show it to you or to demonstrate whatever it is you're interested in. So this was just a brief introduction. We can go into it further. Thank you to Oral-B. Thank you to their PR team. And this is great. My teeth thank you too. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. We have a lot of great giveaways coming up. We have a lot of great content coming up. You don't want to miss that. We really want you to stick around. I hope everybody's having a great evening. Have fun. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.